KLBiologyNEET. In this video, children, we are going to discuss different excretory organs of various organisms. So before that, in last video, we discussed cockroaches will excrete what? Cockroach is a terrestrial insect, right? So it may excrete only the uric acid. Is the answer for the previous video question, children. Now let us see what are the excretory organs and the organism. So if we see protozoans like amoeba, porifera like sponges, coelenterata are Nigerians. So these organisms does not have any special organs for excretion. So they remove the body waste through body surface by a mechanism, as you know, diffusion. Now next one, if you see platyhelminthes, they have a special cell to remove the waste, which is called, of course, flame cells or protonephridia. So this can be a question, children. Flame cells are the excretory organ of which organism, or planaria excrete through which cell? So possible question. Then if we see annelids like earthworm, which has renate cell, nephridia. Nephridia is an excretory organ. In case of ascalmenthes, they have renate cell or excretory pore, but it's not mentioned in NCERT. As you know, after that we have crustacea in arthropods. Crustacea, they have either green glands or antennal glands. Insects excrete through malphizian tubules, arachnids excrete through coxal gland. So these three comes under arthropoda. Of course, earthworm we discussed in annelids. Apart from that, if we see protochordates, also they have solenocytes, or we can say protonephridia. In case of vertebrates, we have kidney. And hemichordates, they have proboscis gland. So these are the excretory organ and organism. So either they may ask organ or they may ask which organism excrete through proboscis gland. Can be a possible question. I hope you understood. If you make a small tabular column and stick it on your book itself, it will be easy for you to revise also. And now let me ask you a question. Silkworm excrete through which organ? Can you put your answer in the comment box, children, as always? Thank you all.